solving quadratic inequalities. So this is the topic 1.7. So how to solve a quadratic inequality? In previous lectures, we countered with the equalities problems, that is quadratic equalities when there is a equal to sign. In this case, there this equal sign replaced by greater than, less than, or greater than equal to, or less than equals to sign. So how to do it? So first, the following step. For example, in this case, 2x plus 7 is less than minus 4, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, so how to do it? First, simplify it. So multiply 2 with x and then 2 with 7. So it must be 2x plus 14 is less than minus 4. So now this constant goes to there, then this sign plus 14 must be converted into minus 14. So it must be 2x is less than minus 4 and minus 14. So 2x is less than minus 18 and x is less than minus 9. So this is the value of x. So x is less than 9. So in second case, this is the value of x. In second case, the value is, we have to find 11 minus 2x is greater than equals to 5. So how to do it? So minus 2x is greater than equals to 5. Now this positive 11 must go there, so it must be minus 11. So minus 22x is greater than equals to minus 6. Okay, so where there is a negative sign, okay, where there is a negative sign, so negative, both negative signs, so the uh, equality or inequality changes. So in this case, there is greater than equals to, it must be changed into less than equals to. So first the negative sign cancel out and the equality converts into greater than equals to is replaced by less than equals to. So it must be x equals to less than equals to 3. So from there, where there is a negative sign, where there is a negative sign, the value of inequality or the sign of inequality changes. Okay, so the only thing to remember is where there's a negative sign with x, so the value or the sign of the inequality with the x changes. Now moving forward, so second is 2x minus 4 whole power x is greater than equals to 7. So this is the 2x minus 4 whole divided by x is greater than equals to 7. Okay, first multiply this x with 7, so it must be 2x minus 4 is greater than equals to 7x. Now minus 4 is greater than equals to 7x minus 2x. Now it must be minus 4 is greater than equals to 5x. Now replace this 5x must be there. So 5x is, in this case, minus 4 is less than, is greater than equals to 5x. So it also means that 5x is less than equals to minus 4 and x is less than equals to minus 4 upon 5. Okay, now check it. Writing For example, Anika checks to say if x equals to -1 satisfies the original inequality. So putting the value x equals to -1, so the value equals to 6. Hence, x minus 1 is a value of x that does not satisfy the original equality. So this solution is incorrect. The solvent solution must be incorrect. So there is also an error for the classmates to represent. Okay, so the original value is x is less than -4/5. So -4/5 is approximately equals to -0.80. X is less than equals to this value. Okay, now moving forward, see this example. In this case, x square minus 5x minus 14 is greater than 0. So first to sketch, this is the sketch. So it states that when y equals to 0, so first how to solve this. So this putting this equation equals to y equals to x square minus 5x minus 14. First put y equals to 0. So 0 equals to x square minus 5x minus 14. So midterm breaking. Now it must be x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14. So it must be x into x minus 7 plus 2 into x minus 7. So it must be x minus 7 into x plus 2. So this states that x minus 7 is equals to 0. That says x equals to 7. And second is x plus 2 equals to 0. That is x equals to minus 2. So there are the two values, x equals to 7 and x equals to minus 2. So these are the indicated x equals to plus 7 and x equals to minus 2. So for x square minus 5x is greater than 0. This is the case when equals to 0. So this is the case when x equals to 0. Now the original is x is greater than 0. So the values must be x is greater than 7. Okay, first is x is greater than 7. This is the positive range and x is less than minus 2. Okay, so these are the indicated values. Now in second case, the solve 2x square plus 3x is less than equals to 27. So first, this 27 must be shifted to this side. Minus 27 is less than equals to 0. So first solving again in same fashion, y equals to 2x square. First putting a sign equals to y and equate this whole equation with respect to y. So in second case, putting y equals to 0. So when putting y equal to 0 equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 27. So it must be 2x square. Now 54, how to do it? It must be when we are multiplying, this says that 27 into 2, so it must be 54. Okay, so make a factor that is multiple of 3x. That's answer is 3x. Okay, and the product must be 54. So it must be when I am multiplying 9 with 6, that must be 54. So the factors are 9x minus 6x minus 27. So this must be taking x common. So it must be 2x plus 9, and from here minus 3 is common, so it must be 2x plus 9. So 0 equals to 2x plus 9 and x minus 3. So this states that 2x plus 9 is equals to 0, and in second case x minus 3 equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 9, x equals to minus 9 by 2, and second case x equals to 3. So these are the two values of computed values of x. Now x is less than equals to 3. So the because the equality is less than and greater than equals to minus 9 upon 2. So this is the required answer. So x is less than 3. Here it lies, x is less than 3, and the value of minus, that is minus 4.5. This value is minus 4.5, and this must be an increasing graph. Okay, so that's it from this lecture. Hope you understand quadratic inequalities. So the relative questions that are being asked in paper are just described. So do it, and uh, goodbye from this lecture.